And Marco took my style and I watched him in the and all the pictures I can go like this, they didn't come out in your camera like once more. And then Marco copied my style and I got pissed and I walked his face and I came out like rawr with my hand on Marco's face and Marco came out like
Oh yeah. I said, give me a real good looking like the cameras are here, the newspapers here. There's a bunch of pretty girls and like a real cool look. Look at me.
Yeah. Oh no.
What?
We're not meant.
Is that your most let's see, how should I say, suave, continental?
Hey.
There you go. Do it again. Let's see. Show him. Okay, all the newspapers and a bunch of girls. Ready? When I count to 3.
Oh my
1, 2, 3. That.
Hey, just do it. I know it's kind of weird.
1, 2, 3. Say, hey, ladies, what's up? A ver.
Oh my God.
Just go, hi, girls.
Just go like this.
Just I'm in 5 minutes. I'll be signing autographs or something like that.
Did it, Marcos?
Say, ladies, back now. Stand. Make a line.
Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt.
Stop.
Say bye. You've been recorded.